Morning and welcome to this art tutorial with Shannon. In this video we will be making a colourful unicorn. You will need paper, glue, bits of coloured paper, scissors and colours. This is a big requested one, so let's begin by taking our white page and drawing a horse's head. I start off with the nose and shape the rest of my head around it. Add eyes, ears, a horn, and little nostrils. When you're ready, take a light page and trace the shape of the nose, ear, and horn. You can then decorate or colour these in. Cut them out when you are ready. And put them and your unicorn aside for now. Next, take out your coloured paper. If you don't have colours, you can always colour in white paper. Cut out different size and different colour stripes. Awesome, let's bring back our unicorn. Cut your unicorn out. Stick it down onto a bright page. Stick on the coloured parts from earlier. Awesome, and now our mane. Stick one end of the coloured strips onto the edge of your unicorn. Repeat this with the rest of the cutout strips. Now that the hair is there, let's give our unicorn a hairstyle. Curl each piece of paper. If you curl it at different tightness or different angles, it changes the way the pieces look. Add extra pieces if you need to. And decorate your page. And there is our colourful magical unicorn. Awesome! Happy art making! Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.